Hello, my name is Amit, and these are the projects that I made in this game development Python course. This is Pac Man, a game which used some maths and turtle graphics to make it. This is the Snake game, that is the first game that is built by Pygame module. This is the Flappy Bird game, where we use some motion as well and give the game some graphics. This is the Angry Birds game, where I learned a lot about physics as well as gaming graphics. Last up was Mario. This game required a lot of files that were using each other to run. This is also built using Pygames and was a very interesting project. Thank you.